Good morning. Today we are going to start our next chapter, chapter number 10. Chapter 9 about line segment is deleted in your syllabus. So we will start with chapter 10, angles. Before starting angles, we will have a look on our previous work. You all know about a point. This is a point A. If we meet 2 points, it will become a line segment. If a line segment extends on one side, it will become a ray, and if it will extend on both sides, it will become a line. Now I have one ray AB. I draw one more ray on A. Suppose A, C. When two rays start from one common point, then they will form an angle. When two rays start from one common point, they form an angle. We can write angle as, this is a symbol of angle. We can write as angle A, because in this A is the common point. AC and AB, these are called the arms. AC and AB. We start from A, which is the starting point. Here it is the never ending point, so we will not start from here, we will start from A. So AC and AB, these are called the arms of angle. We will denote angle by a single letter, which is the common point, or we can start from C. We can write C, then common point A, B. This will become angle CAB. If we start from B, we will write B, then the common point, and then C. This will be the another point to write an angle. You can write angle in these three different ways. You can write only the common point. You can write start from any of the points, but common point will be in the center. Okay. BAC CAB. We cannot write BCA because BC is not joined here, and we want to write the angle A, so A will be in the center. Now we say that AC and AB are the arms of the angle. These are the angles. We measure the angles with the use of protractor, and we can construct also with the use of protractor. The degree in which we write the angle, that is the standard unit. So we will say standard unit of angle is degree. Which we will write like small 0. Now we will know about different types of angles. When we are having two rays one upon another on the same side, then we have no angle here, and this is called 0 angle, 0 degree angle. This is degree, this is 0. We will say it is 0 angle. Now we are having two arms one upon another in the straight way. When we are having arms like this, they are of 90 degree, and when angle is of 90 degree, then it is said to be right angle. Sometimes if we move this on the right of us, then angle will become, suppose this is 90 degree angle, and we move this angle, it will become smaller than the 90 degree. Here it is 90 degree and this angle is smaller than 90 degree, so we will say this is acute angle. When angle is between 0 degree and 90 degree, means it will be greater than 0 and less than 90. So we will say between 0 degree and 90 degree, then it is acute angle. When it is greater than 90 degree, then it will say obtuse angle. When angle is between 90 degree and 180 degree, then it will be obtuse angle. More than 90 and less than 180, then it is obtuse angle. When two rays are just opposite to each other, they are opposite to each other, they form a straight line. When they form a straight line, then they are called straight angles. So when two rays are just opposite to each other, they form an angle of 180 degree, and 180 degree angle is a straight angle. 90 degree, 0 degree, this is acute angle between 0 degree and 90 degree. Obtuse angle between 90 degree and 180 degree. This is straight angle 180 degree. Now on page number 158, we will have review exercise. Name the vertex and arms of the following angles. Here you have to find out the vertex and arms of the following angle. Here vertex is the common point, that is R. So we will write vertex is R, and arms starting from the common point RQ, RP. These are the arms. And next, here the vertex is the common point, which is M. Vertex is the common point, and arms, two arms are there of an angle starting from vertex ML, MN. So we will write ML, MN. One more thing, you will write ray here also, because these are the rays, so we will put symbol of ray. Here, what is the vertex? In this question, vertex is X. This is the common point, and arms are X, Y, X, Z. Starting from vertex, we start from vertex always. Give 2 examples each for the following from your environment of acute angles. You will write it yourself. Any two examples from your environment. Right angles and obtuse angles. You have to write yourself. 2 examples of each. Next question. What type of angle is formed in each of the following? If you see corner of a square, because square is having 90-degree angles, so what type of angle each corner of square? This is a square, so at each corner which type of angle you see? Yes, right angle. Between the hands of a clock when it is 6 o'clock, if you see the clock, here it is 6 o'clock, so what type of angle it is? Straight angle. Between the blades of fan, if you see the blades of a fan, so as you see, between the blades of a fan, they are greater than 90-degree, and greater than 90-degree angle is obtuse angle. So they form obtuse angles. Between the forefinger and the middle finger, if you see forefinger and middle finger, this is acute angle because less than 90-degree. So they form acute angle. Corner of a blackboard. If you see the corners of blackboard, they also form right angle, 90-degree angle. So corner of blackboard form right angle. Now you have to construct the following angles using a protractor. Also name them. So to construct, we need a protractor and a scale. Here we are having a scale and a protractor. See, in this protractor, you will have the point from which we will start. So first of all, in your notebook, write down chapter, name of the chapter. This is review exercise on page number 158 and 159, and we are going to start question number 4. 30-degree angle you have to construct with a protractor. So how will you do it? First of all, take a ray with the use of a scale. In the center of the page, we will start. Take a ray. You can write any name. I am taking OA. Now take the protractor and from this line, put this line on point O, because we have point O here. We start from O, and this line, see this line will be on OA. It will cover it fully. And now here you see it start from 0, because an angle start from 0. So you see the 0 here, 0 and 180 are written on it. You will start from 0, and we have to make the angle of 30 degrees. So 0, 10, 20 and 30. You see here 30 and 150, they are the same. So on 30 you will put the dot and then meet it. You get another point, suppose A. So you get the angle of 30 degree, and you have to write the name of angle. Start from A or start from B. I start from A. Common point in the center O, then B. That is of 30 degree. Now we will construct angle of 78 degree. So again take a ray L M. Now on point L, this line will be on point L, on line LM. This now 78 degree, you start from 0, because this line is on this side. On this side we will start with 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, then 80. So 70 and 80, in between there is 75, 76, 77, 78. The 2 points earlier we will put the point, and when we join it we will get the angle of 78 degree. You can give any name to it. So MLN. Now you can start from N or M. So I start from M, then L will be in the center, MLN, and that is of 78 degree. Now next is of 90 degree. You can construct. Now I am going to tell you about 170 degree. You can construct any angle. I take a ray OP. Now at O, put the protector like this, center point, and this line will be on P, and we will move to 170 starting from 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. It is 90. If you want to construct 90, you can construct from here 110, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170. So here you get 170 degree. Now we will join. If we join, suppose I give it the name Q, then it will POQ is of 170 degree. Now see students, 30 degree, as you know, it is less than 90 degree, it will be acute. It seems to be acute. 78 degree also it is acute. It seems to be acute. 170 degree, it will be obtuse because it is greater than 90 degree, so it will be obtuse. You see? So you can construct any angle with the help of this protector. Now in question number 5, how many angles are there in each of the following figures? Name them. How many angles you can see? We can see angle AOC. Yes, one angle is angle AOC. You can see this one is also an angle. Yes, the angle AOB. Angle AOB. If you see, this is also an angle. Angle BOC. Angle BOC. This full we have written angle AOC. So how many angles you see? There are 3 angles. So how many angles? 3 angles are there, and these are the name of angles. Now in this, how many angles you see in it? First of all, if we start from this QPS, angle QPS. If we see, here are again 3 angles, 1, 2 and this full 3. So we will write angle PSQ, QSR, PSR. PSQ is this small angle, QSR is this angle, and PSR is the full angle. 3 angles. Now here angle SRQ. This angle, only one angle. Now in this also we have one angle here, second angle and the third angle. So we will write, here I am writing RQS, this angle. Then PQS, then PQR, this full angle. So how many angles we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many angles we found? Now fill in the blanks. An angle whose measure is equal to 90 degree, that is called right angle. An obtuse angle measure more than dash degree and less than dash degree. The obtuse angle more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. An angle has dash vertex, one vertex, that is the common point, and dash arms. 2 arms are there in an angle. One straight angle. How many right angles are there in one straight angle? If we see, this is straight line and this is right angle. So how many right angles are there? 2 right angles are there. 4 by 9 of right angle. 4 by 9 of right angle means 90 degree. 4 by 9 of 90 degree. We cut it. We get 40 degree. So how many degrees? 40 degree. Now this completes your review exercise. Only question number 4 you will do in your registers. The rest you can do in your books. Have a nice day.